Hello everyone, welcome to audumberclasses. In today's video lecture, we will discuss multiple choice question from ISS exam year 2018 paper 1 set A. Question number 7. Let x be a random variable following binomial distribution with parameter n equals to 13 and p equals to 0.3. Consider the following statements. First statement, mode of the distribution of x is 3. Second statement, distribution is negatively skewed. Which of the above statements are correct? And here 4 options are given. Now, first of all, we will write down what is given. Here it is given that x follows binomial distribution with parameter n equals to 13 and p equals to 0.3. Now here value of p is given, we can calculate value of q. So value of q will be 0.7. Now in the first statement we have to check mode of the distribution is equals to 3 or not. How to do that? We know in binomial distribution to calculate mode we check value of quantity n plus 1 into p is integer or it is a fraction. Okay, if it is an integer value, let us suppose k. Integer can be anything, 5, 6, 8, 10, 20, 18, 16, anything. Let us suppose that integer value is k. In this case, you will get two values of mode k and k minus 1. Okay, and if the value of n plus 1 into p is a fraction, means it is k plus f. K is a integer, f is a fraction which lies between 0 to 1. Okay, in this case our mode value will be equal to k. Okay, now let us take example of this. Let us suppose your value of this term n plus 1 into p is 8.4. Now in this case your integer is 8 and your fraction is 0.4. So your mode value will be equals to 8. Okay, this is how we calculate in case of a fraction. Now let's check in this example what is the value of quantity n plus 1 into p. Okay, here value of n is given, it is 13. 13 plus 1, 14 into 0.3. So here value of n plus 1 into p is 4.2. So here this 4 is our integer, 0.2 is our fraction value, right? So our value of mode will be equals to 4. And in the first statement it is given that mode of the distribution of x is 3. So our first statement is not correct. Okay. Now let's check the second statement. Distribution is negatively skewed. See, when we want to check sign of a skewness, we check the sign of a mu3. Okay, if mu3 is positive, our distribution is positively skewed. If mu3 is negative, our distribution is negatively skewed. So let's check here mu3. How we calculate mu3 for binomial distribution? It is npq into q minus p. Let's put our value. Value of n is 13, p is 0.3, q is 0.7. So it is 0.7 minus 0.3. So we see here our value of mu3 is greater than 0. So our skewness is positive. We can say distribution is positively skewed. But in the second statement it is given that distribution is negatively skewed. So our second statement is also not correct. So correct answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. For more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.